Today we'll learn about user content upload, how to upload and edit user content. Log into MediaWorks and search for the call or radio transmission you wish to add content to. Right-click on the call and go to Upload User Content. Here you can click the plus sign to add media or drag and drop your files to the square. See, I'm dragging and dropping. Next, to attach the file. In this instance, I'm adding a WAV file, which is an audio file. But you can also add PDFs, Word documents. Click Next, and you will see at the top there is the item that I added. At the bottom it tells you what it is and what size. You can select the resource name if you wish to change that. As well, you can change the start time. I'm going to leave the defaults there, and I will click Upload.